Hello everyone, welcome to Divine Art. My name is Rakhi. I hope you all are having a great day and a great week. If this is the first time you have visited my channel, please subscribe and stay connected. Today we'll be making a silhouette painting of Santa and reindeers. So holiday season is around the corner, so I thought I should create one easy painting. So let's begin the process. I won't be using much colors. It will be only few white, black and a few of the blues. So let's start the process. I'm creating the shape for the moon. So I took a bit of Manganese Blue Hue along with a lot of titanium white, and now I'm creating this round shape. Once it is done, I'm going to cover it up with a masking tape cut out in the shape of a circle so that I can paint over the canvas freely. I'm creating this Christmas theme painting on 20 by 30 centimeters canvas. Colors used will pop up on the screen and will be mentioned on the description box as well. I'll be very pleased if I inspire any of you to recreate this artwork, and if you do create this, please share it with me on my Instagram directly, or you can mention at Divine Art Dreams. I got the reference image for my painting from the website pixels.com. So it was a digital image and I really liked the colors, as you know that blue is my favorite, so I thought I should create it, and here I am recreating this digital image. While creating this painting, I totally lost track of time and eventually I realized it's getting dark and I forgot to switch on the lights. For me, the lights were kind of fine, but I know on camera it should be well lit. So I apologize if you find this video is getting darker and darker. It happens with me a lot when I totally ignore the camera and my head blocks the painting, and after 1 hour or so of recording, I get to know that the video is rubbish and I can't do anything but not to upload it. For the outer edges of the canvas, I have used dark side purple, and for the inner part, I have used dark ultramarine blue, and for the central part, I have used a lighter shade of ultramarine blue. So it will be a mix of dark ultramarine blue with white. I'm keeping this portion lighter than the external part of the canvas because it reflects the soft light coming from the moon. have rotated the canvas to create the bottom part of the canvas, which is the ground. I've used black and purple to create the ground. So the bottom part is Mars black, and then I'm using this dioxide purple, and it will give a soft glow to the ground. While removing the masking tape, make sure that the canvas is completely dried. And once I've removed this masking tape, I'm giving final touch up to the moon, as the shape has been bit uneven. So I'm giving the final touch up. With the help of fine brush, I'm creating some stars on this background, so it will look very beautiful and pretty. Then with the same brush, I'm creating the trees. So for the big tree, I've used this brush and I'm creating it with a crisscross motion. So if you see, it's very simple, and I'm not using my fan brush for this tree because it's only one tree, so I thought I should create it with this brush. So it's very simple. The motion is crisscross, and you just have to make sure that the central part is a bit darker of this tree, and the exterior part, the leaves or the stems, are a bit lighter. I'm giving a soft glow to this tree, not to the complete tree, only the right side of the tree, as the moon is on the right side. So there is some light directly falling on the leaves, so that's why the right side of the tree is bit lighter. Do not overdo this step, so carefully use the purple and white paint for this, and if you overdo, make sure to wipe it up with a clean brush. The painting looks complete to me. It turned out quite well and I'm happy with the results. If you like the painting, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day. May the Christmas season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter. Bye-bye.